This is a structural parameter test for the Saucony Hurricane 24, replacing its provided insole with a PowerStep Maxx insole or orthotic. There were some pretty positive results with this testing utilizing the PowerStep. So utilizing the PowerStep, the weight increased by 11.71%. With the provided insole, it weighed 11.1 ounces, and with the PowerStep, 12.4 ounces. With the PowerStep, the midfoot stability increased by 50%, and it tested to have a torsional control index of 60 inch-pounds, and with the that was in the high range. With the provided insole, it tested to have a torsional control index of 40 inch-pounds, which was in the minimal range. Testing for hindfoot stability, with the PowerStep Maxx, it had a vertical compression index of 11.36 millimeters, and with the provided insole, it had a vertical compression index of 12.78 millimeters, which was softer and translates to less hindfoot stability utilizing the provided insole. With looking at the vertical support, the PowerStep Maxx provided 50.44% more vertical support than utilizing the provided insole. Both were in the negative vertical support range, but the Power Maxx provided, as I said, 50.44% more vertical support. It tested to have a minus 3.36 millimeter loaded heel to toe drop. With the provided insole, it had a minus 6.78 millimeters loaded to heel to toe drop. Both shoes tested, both insoles tested to have rebound indexes in the very high range, with rebound indexes substantially over 25 millimeters. With the shoe stability, the PowerStep Maxx provided 280.33% more stability than the provided insole. The provided insole had a shoe stability index of 8.13, and the PowerStep Maxx a shoe stability index of 30.93. So summarizing this, with the provided insole, the shoe will be a slightly higher performing shoe due to having less weight. With the PowerStep Maxx, it will provide more overall stability and more vertical support.